Hi everyone, let's see how you can check the RAM type in your Windows laptop or desktop PC. For this, we will be using a tool. To download it, simply open your browser and search for CPU-Z. Now go to the first web page, scroll down and click on Zip plus English option and download it from here. Once downloaded, extract the contents of the file using WinRAR or 7-zip. Now go to the extracted folder and run the 64-bit file as administrator. Now once the dashboard opens, simply go to the memory tab and you can find the type of your RAM, its size and whether it is a dual or single channel RAM. Now if you go to the SPD tab, you can find more code details about your RAM like the manufacturer, the serial number, part number and so on. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and stay tuned for more such Windows tips, tricks and tutorials. Thank you.